In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Beehiiv variables, also known as merge tags, so you can personalize your emails and posts in just a few clicks. This is a really useful feature if you want to make your newsletters feel more personal, improve engagement, and save time when sending content to your audience. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple Beehiiv tips and email marketing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the right button on the left side or in the top menu, depending on your layout. This is where Beehiiv lets you create new content, whether that's a post or a newsletter email. Now click Write and choose to create a new post or email. Beehiiv will open the editor, and this is where the magic happens. In the editor, place your cursor exactly where you want the variable to appear. This could be in the greeting line, inside the body of your email, or anywhere you want to personalize the message for each subscriber. Next, type the / symbol, which is simply the / key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Beehiiv will show you a list of options. Look for merge tags or variables in that menu. These are the dynamic placeholders Beehiiv uses to automatically pull subscriber information into your content. From there, select the variable you want to insert. A common example is first name, which lets you greet each reader by their name. Depending on what Beehiiv offers in your account, you may also see other fields you can use, like email-related or subscriber-related information. The key idea is that Beehiiv will replace the variable with the correct information for each person when the email is sent. Once you've inserted the variable, take a moment to review your content and make sure it looks correct. It's always a good idea to test the email or preview it before publishing, just so you can confirm the personalization appears the way you want it to. If everything looks good, go ahead and save your draft or publish your email. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Beehiiv variables in a fast and simple way. This is one of the easiest tricks for making your newsletter more professional and more engaging, especially if you're building an audience and want to connect with readers on a more personal level. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more Beehiiv tips and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.